How to edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we will learn how we can edit a shortcut on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to edit a shortcut on Snapchat, go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Snapchat application. Now just take a quick snap. And let's say you want to send this to one of your shortcuts, which you can see at the very top. You can see there's a little shortcut that I've added. Now let's just say that you want to edit the people inside this shortcut. To do so, you just have to tap the plus icon, which you can find right over here. And when you tap the plus icon, you should be able to see a list of shortcuts you've loaded. And now you can just go ahead and select that shortcut, and then you can choose to add more people on this list over here or remove the ones that you don't like. Once you've done that, tap the save option, and now you can simply select that shortcut. This way you can edit a shortcut on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.